How to fix horizontal lines on phone screen. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if you have some horizontal lines on your phone screen on your Android or on your iPhones. So without any further ado, let's get started. Horizontal lines on your phone screen can be caused by software or hardware issues. So here's how you can try to fix them. First option is to restart your phone. Sometimes the issue might be temporary, caused by a minor software glitch. Restarting your phone can help resolve the problem. So hold the power button until the restart option appears. After that, select restart. If the problem is still not solved, you have to check for your software updates. For that, go to Settings, tap on System, and tap on Software Update. Here, if you have any update, you have to install the update. Software update often fix bugs that could be causing display issues. If that still does not help you, then you have to check for the display settings. Now, under Settings, go to Display, and here you can adjust the settings like brightness or turn on night mode and see if the line disappears. Here you have night light, turn this on and check whether the line disappears or not, or you can either increase or decrease the display as well. If that still does not help you, then you have to clean the screen and check for any physical damage. If there is dust, moisture or smudges on your screen, they might cause visual distortion. You can clean your screen with a microfiber cloth and inspect your phone for physical damage like cracks or screen burns, which can also cause the horizontal line. If you're not able to fix the problem still, and if the issue is software related and nothing works, you might want to reset your phone to a factory settings. But remember, before you do that, you have to back up your data. So to do that, you can simply go to Settings and then go to System. Scroll down a bit, go to Reset option, and here you have Factory Reset. But keep in mind, you have to back up all your data before you do that. If none of the solutions work, the issue may be related to the hardware, such as damaged display, lost connection, or malfunctioning GPU. For that, you have to visit an authorized service center. So these are all the way that will help you to fix if you're able to see the horizontal lines on your phone screen. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.